Hello friends, today's question: pressure inside two soap bubbles are 1.01 atm and 1.02 atm respectively. Ratio of their volume is, so we have two soap bubbles and we are supposed to find out ratio of their volumes. Okay. So we know that the pressure, or we can say excess pressure inside a soap bubble is given as delta P, and the delta P is equal to 4 times the tension divided by R, where R is a radius and T is the tension. So we can write the excess pressure inside a soap bulb, inside a soap bubble is delta P, which is equal to 4T divided by R, and T is the tension, surface tension rather, surface tension, and R is the radius of the soap bubble, radius of soap bubble. And this excess pressure, that is delta P, can be also written as pressure inside the soap bubble minus the outside pressure, and outside pressure is nothing but the atmospheric pressure. So you can say P inside minus P outside, and which can be written as P inside minus P naught, where P naught is atmospheric pressure. P naught is atmospheric pressure. And its value is 1 atm. So we have two bubbles. So let us start with bubble 1. So we can write delta P1 is equal to P1 minus P naught. P1 is given as 1.01 minus 1, 0.1. And similarly, we can write for bubble 2, delta P2 is equal to P2 minus P naught, 1.02 minus 1, and this is equal to 0.02. And delta P1 is also equal to 4 times tension upon R1, and delta P2 is equal to 4T divided by R2. So we take the ratio delta P1 upon delta P2. Delta P1 upon delta P2 will be equal to R2 upon R1, and delta P1 is our 0.01 and P2 is our 0.02, which becomes 1 upon 2. So it means the ratio of the radii, that is R1 upon R2, is equal to 2. And we have to suppose to find out their ratio of their volumes. And we know that volume of the sphere, that is V, is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Or from here we can write volume is directly proportional to radius cube. So therefore for bubble 1, V1 is directly proportional to R1 cube, and for bubble 2, V2 is directly proportional to RT cube. And we take their ratio. V1 upon V2 is equal to R1 upon R2 whole cube. R1 and R2 is 2 by 1. So this is 2 upon 1, and this is whole cube. So therefore it becomes 8 by 1. So therefore we can write V1 ratio V2 is equal to 8 is to 1. Okay, so this is the ratio of their volumes. And the options that are available to us, we can say that option C is the correct option. We can write that option C is correct. So this was quite easy question, directly based on the formula of your excess pressure. So this completes the question. Thank you.